Morning! It's Evelyn here from Pursuing Kaizen, and I'm excited because it's Sunday and it's a beach day. But firstly, I need to do my washing, otherwise I will not have any clean clothes to wear during the week. And I think that my meals just got delivered on the front doorstep, so I need to go put those away. Let's go. Totally love these U-foods. So yes, I totally am loving U-foods. I've been getting U-foods for ages, and I went off them for a while. To be honest, one of the main reasons that I went back, and I've probably been back for a month now, having the U-foods, is because I don't have to make decisions every day. I have 11 meals in my fridge, and so when I get to the end of the week, if I haven't eaten all those 11 meals, I know something went wrong that week, because basically how I look at it is that I've got 14 meals because I do intermittent fasting, so I don't eat between 8 p.m. at night and 2 p.m. So then I basically have lunches and dinners for a week. So that's 14 meals. So if I'm 85% good, then all of my 11 meals should be eaten by the time I get to the end of the week. So that's how I look at it. And in that way, I don't have to make those decisions every day. I'm literally just on autopilot. And that is how my life works best, when I can just put all those kinds of decisions on autopilot. Well, that was a bit of an adventure. I went to Coogee, there was no parking. Anyway, so I've ended up at Maroubra. Weekends go fast. It's Sunday night already, and I just finished editing the vlog, and so it's just exporting now, and I'm going to upload it to YouTube, and then I'm going to start on this vlog so that I'm ready to post it tomorrow. Does that make sense? Anyway, I've had a great day and weekend. This morning I did go to the beach and just relax for a bit. Anyway, I'm gonna end this vlog. I don't know if there was really any kind of like, this vlog is about this, but it's Sunday, and so I don't know, I'm just kind of relaxing and taking time for myself. Anyway, if you like this vlog, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. And please leave me a comment. I've been loving the comments lately on these daily vlogs, so leave me a comment below. I don't know if you liked it or if you have a question or whatever. Anyway, be sure to subscribe to the channel as well. And if you want, go over and follow me on Facebook or on Instagram. My handle is Pursuing Kaizen.